Hello, children. Welcome back again in online studies. I hope you all are enjoying the online studies. Yesterday, in 4th standard EVS 2, we have started lesson number 3, that is Maratha Sardars, the famous house of Bhosles. So, in that previous lecture, we have seen about the period of unrest, brave Maratha Sardars of Maharashtra, tradition and valor, and the temple of Krishneshwar. And as well as with that, we have told the Shahaji Raje's picture also to draw in your AVS 2 notebook. Okay. So I hope you have enjoyed doing that activity. And now we will move forward on page number 10. So you also take out your page number 10 of the textbook EVS 2, and we will see here the two topics, that is the Bhosles of Verur and Shahaji Raje. These two topics we are going to complete in this lecture. So first one, the Bhosles of Verur. Maloji Raje Bhosle, the Patil of Verur, was a great devotee of Shiva. Babaji Raje had two sons. Maloji Raje was the elder and Vithoji Raje the younger. Babaji Raje Bhosle had the rights of a Patil in the Verur village. Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje were both brave and enterprising. They had in their service many armed Maratha troops. It was a period of great unrest. The Mughal emperor from Delhi had attacked the kingdom of Nizam Shah. Daulatabad was then the capital of Nizam Shah. Malik Ambar was his wazir or chief minister. Malik Ambar was able and wise. The two couple and brave brothers from Verur soon caught his attention. On his recommendation, the Shah conferred on Maloji Raje the Jagir of Pune and Supe Pargana. So what we have learned from in this para, that Maloji Raje Bhosle and was a great devotee of Shiva. As we have seen, he has renovated the Krishneshwar temple. Okay, he was Maloji Raje Bhosle, who was a Patil of Verur, and Babaji Raje and Maloji Raje. These were the two sons of Babaji Raje Bhosle, Maloji and Vithoji. Babaji Raje had two sons, Maloji and Vithoji. He had the rights of Patil in the Verur village. Okay, Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje, they both were brave, enterprising. बहुत ही brave थे वो. और you know that the period of unrest was there because two kings were ruling on Maharashtra, and the Marathas were become enemies of each other. They were continuously fighting with each other. That is why that is the unrest period in Maharashtra. Why it is unrest? Because Mughal emperor from Delhi had attacked the kingdom of Nizam Shah. Daulatabad was the capital of Nizam Shah, Daulatabad. Malik Ambar was his wazir and chief minister. Malik Ambar was very wise, and the capable brave brothers Maloji Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje soon caught his attention, and on his recommendation, Maloji Raje got conferred a Jahagir of Pune and Supe Pargana because they were very honest to their kingdom, their kings. So in the next para, so the Bhosles became rich and powerful. Maloji Raje's wife was Umabai. She came from the house of Nimbalkars of Fulton. They had two sons, Shahaji and Sharifji. Maloji Raje was killed in a battle at Indapur. At that time, Shahaji was only 5 years old. Then Vithoji Raje looked after the children and the Jagir. Later, he asked in marriage for Shahaji. The daughter of Lakhuji Rao Jadhav, Jizabai, the daughter of Lakhuji Rao, was well favored by the gods. Lakhuji Rao accepted Vithoji Raje's proposal. Lakhuji Rao was a brave and valiant Sardar in the court of Nizam Shah. He kept a large army of his own. He commanded great respect and honor at the court of Nizam Shah. He celebrated the wedding of Shahaji Raje and Jizabai with great pomp. Jizabai became the fortune of Bhosle family. So what happened next? You know that Maloji Raje got the Pargana of the Jagir of Pune and Supe, and Maloji Raje's wife, her name was Umabai. Okay, so she was from the house of Nimbalkars of Fulton. So they had two sons. Again, Maloji Raje and Umabai had two sons. One is Shahaji and second one is Sharifji. So Maloji Raje was killed in the battle of Indapur, and that's why Shahaji was at that time only 5 years old. Who was Shahaji? Shahaji, the father of Shivaji Maharaj. Okay. So when he was killed, when Maloji Raje was killed, that time the Vithoji Raje look after the children and the Jagir. Then they had thought of marriage of Shahaji Raje, and he proposed to the Lakhuji Rao Jadhav, Lakhuji Rao Jadhav's daughter, the Jizabai, and they both marry with each other. The Lakhuji Rao Jadhav accepted the proposal of Vithoji Raje, and Lakhuji Rao Jadhav was also a brave Sardar in the court of Nizam Shah. He has a very large army, and he commanded a great respect and honor in the court of Nizam Shah. So they have celebrated the wedding ceremony of Shahaji Raje and Jizabai. Okay, and Jizabai became the fortune of Bhosle family. Now we will learn about Shahaji Raje. Nizam Shah transferred to Shahaji Raje the Jagir he had conferred on Maloji Raje. Shahaji Raje was a brave and capable man held in great respect at the court of Nizam Shah. The Mughal emperor decided to conquer the kingdom of Nizam Shah. For this, he made an alliance with the Adil Shah of Bijapur. Malik Ambar and Shahaji Raje fought bravely to save Nizam Shahi. They defeated both the armies. This battle took place at Bhatawadi near Ahmednagar. Sharif Ji was killed in the battle. Shahaji Raje displayed great valor. He was praised everywhere as a brave general. His reputation in the court was so enhanced that even Malik Ambar began to feel jealous of him. This gradually led to antagonism between them. As a result, Shahaji Raje left Nizam Shahi and joined the court of Adil Shah at Bijapur. Adil Shah honored him with the title of Sar Lashkar, that is, Chief of Army. Later, there were many developments in Nizam Shahi. The Wazir Malik Ambar died. His scheming son Fateh Khan became the Wazir of Nizam Shahi. During his period, the Nizam Shahi began to decline. At about the same time, there was a threat of Mughal aggression, so Nizam Shah's mother appealed to Shahaji Raje to return to Nizam Shahi and save it. Therefore, Shahaji Raje left Adil Shahi and returned to Nizam Shahi. So what happened about Shahaji Raje? That we will see that Shahaji Raje was the son of Maloji Raje and he was a very capable man. So when he got married, then Nizam Shah conferred him the Jagir again, and Adil Shah, he made Malik Ambar, who was the Malik Ambar and Shahaji Raje fought bravely to save Nizam Shahi, because Shahaji Raje was also in the side of Nizam Shahi. So they defeated both the armies, and that battle took place at Bhatawadi near Ahmednagar. In that, Sharifji was killed in the battle and Shahaji Raje displayed a great valor. Valor means वो बहुत ही strong थे, ऐसे दिखाई दिया. So सभी उनकी praise करने लगे, वाहवाह करने लगे, और because of his reputation, उनकी वाहवाह से मलिक अंबर जो था वो he was feeling jealousy about his. So later on, gradually उनके बीच में एंटागोनिज्म तैयार हो गया, यानी एक दूसरे के खिलाफ हो गए वो. तो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ओनली शाहजी राजे लेफ्ट निजाम शाही, बिकॉज ही वॉज नॉट फीलिंग कंफर्टेबल इन दैट निजाम शाही, एंड ही जॉइन द कोर्ट ऑफ आदिल शाह ऑफ बीजापुर अगेन. सो आदिल शाह अगेन ऑनर्ड हिम विद द टाइटल ऑफ सर लश्कर. आदिल शाह गेव हिम द टाइटल, उपाधि दी उन्होंने सर लश्कर के शाहजी राजे को. बट लेटर आफ्टर मेनी ईयर्स निजाम शाही डेवलपमेंट के बाद मलिक अंबर जो था वो डाइड हो गया, और उनकी जो स्कीम्स थी वहाँ पर मलिक अंबर के प्लेस पे फ़तेह खान जो उसका सन था वो वहाँ पे वज़ीर बन गया निजाम शाही का. बट इस पीरियड में क्या हुआ कि निजाम शाही डिक्लाइन होने लगी, वो जहाँ पे वो जीतते थे वहाँ पे हारने लगे, और ऑल द बैड थिंग्स स्टार्टेड हैपनिंग इनटू द निजाम शाही. देन लेटर ऑन Nizam, the threat of Mughal, because of the threat of the Mughal, निजाम शाह मदर जो थी, निजाम शाह की जो मदर थी, उन्होंने शाहजी राजे को अपील किया फिर से कि फिर से तुम निजाम शाही को सेव करने के लिए आ जाओ. देयरफॉर शाहजी राजे लेफ्ट आदिल शाही एंड ही रिटर्न टूवर्ड्स दी Nizam Shahi again. So here we have completed these lessons again. You will get notes on your WhatsApp group and read out the lesson. Try to understand. Write down the hard word. Learn the hard word. And we will meet into the next lecture. Okay.